Technology and Livelihood Education. Food Preparation. Lesson 4 Part 2. Our topic is Preparing Stocks. Review of the previous lesson. Directions: read each situation carefully. Choose the best answer based on the information provided. A school canteen is preparing vegetable soup for a feeding program. The cook wants a flavorful liquid that serves as the foundation of the soup before adding other ingredients. Which ingredient should the cook prepare first? Number 2. A chef is teaching students that a good stock contains 4 essential components. Which set correctly identifies these components? Number 3. A student prepared a fruit salad using apples, grapes, and mangoes. Before serving, she sprinkled grated Parmesan cheese on top to make it more attractive. Which salad component does the Parmesan cheese represent? The following are the steps in preparing stocks. Step-by-step procedure on how to make bouquet garni. Step-by-step procedure on how to make mirepoix. Step-by-step procedure on how to make white stock. How to make brown stock. Step-by-step procedure on how to make fish fillet stock. Group activity. Read the objectives of the activity and the general directions carefully.
This is Dr. Mylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher Mylene. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.